Ayan, sabi dito sa comment, Twinnie, your skin looks so radiant and glowing. Anong secret mo? Hoy, thank you naman sa compliment. Actually, to achieve a glowing skin without any expensive treatments or any cosmetics, eto lang talaga yun. I include Doc Retinol in my nightly skincare routine because it helps reduce dark spots, rejuvenates, and leaves my skin smooth and radiant. And guess what? Kaka-launch lang ng Doc Retinol, new version with 3 times rejuvenation, faster skin regeneration, and more effective sa dark spot reduction. Also, mas gentle din yung formula niya. Kaya amazing, diba? Just 1 capsule every night and perfect na amount na yon. So, walang masasayang kasi enough na siya for the whole face. Also, it is ideal for the beginners. As for me, nag-start ako with 2 to 3 times a week and then gradually, nag-increase na ako to 1 capsule every night. And the result after 4 weeks, my skin is plumper, smoother, brighter, and nag-fade na talaga yung mga dark spots. Kaya pag tumitingin ako sa salamin, I feel happy talaga. If you want to rejuvenate your skin, Doc Retinol is the secret. And I highly recommend this, so itry nyo na to agad-agad. Because with Doc Retinol, you only need 1 capsule for skin rejuvenation. Click now to experience the difference.